This video explains how to buy shares of Singularity Future Technology Ltd, a company working in advanced computing and AI-related technologies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SGLY. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SGLY to find Singularity Future Technology Ltd. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the listing clearly indicates Singularity Future Technology Ltd. on NASDAQ before proceeding. Tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute in the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once the order fills, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.